Good morning, it is 1:11 a.m. It's a perfect time to be alive. I just arose from slumber. I had a dream that I was in a car accident with a baby, and it wasn't my baby. It was the baby of a friend, but then I knew it was a dream because I don't make friends with people that have babies. Babies are loud and obnoxious. I have a bad sense of social timing. But enough about me. Oh crap. This whole video is about me. It's gonna be rough. Fit check. Part 1. Start the car. It's 25 degrees. It's something you gotta do. Also, maybe I should winterize the RV soon. I'll think about it. It's not an RV, it's a camp trailer. Shut up. Nice thing about pre-starting my 2003 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo in cold weather for it to warm up is that my heater doesn't seem to want to work until I reach 2,000 RPM a couple of times. That's something that I will be addressing and fixing in July. Now I can go put the rest of my clothes on and stuff. Anyways, this is a vlog, I guess. It's about me. I'm going to work in the middle of the night. It's not a good bit. I'm still happily married to the redhead. She just got off of work in the middle of the night. Also not a good bit.
I'm gonna be going to bed.
She is a breadwinner, and the bread is good. This is a dog. She's a good dog. Another dog, but incontinent. That's Minnie Mouse. Not incontinent. Okay, don't worry about that light on in that building. The rabbits need that. Thank you. This is my final fit check. This is a Carhartt jacket that I bought at a farm store in Evanston, Wyoming in 2022. It's aged well. This hat came from my mother-in-law. It came from some brewery. Those Crocs need to come off because I can't work in those. Okay, I'm really good at this. Okay, the real fit check. Who cares about my shoes? I bought those at Spence. That's not true. I bought those at Cabela's in Post Falls, Idaho. This is a public service announcement. Cabela's sucks now. They used to be fine. Bass Pro's ruined them, and now they're junk. Boycott Cabela's because I said so, and for no political reason. This is not a political vlog. Good news, this car is warm. I am officially late for work, which means that I'm only going to arrive 45 minutes early for my shift instead of 1 hour, as is my custom. I'm doing a vlog. Do you know what a vlog is? How many times have I said the word vlog? I have this friend, he's got like his brain got scrambled at the global war of terror. He was clocked in at the global war of terrorism on some day, and his brain got all twisted up, and then he like roots for losing sports teams and crap like that. This real messed up dude. But I was hanging out with him recently, and he would not shut the hell up about, I'm gonna do 800 daily vlogs in a row. And it's just like he holds a microphone, he makes his family become unpaid actors in this production. He's got all these bits. It's fine, it's whatever. But he's like, I'm gonna do 800. And he's all big time in me. You know, he's just like, I'm gonna do 800 daily vlogs in a row. And I was like, dude, so here's the deal. I'm gonna do, and the other thing is, he's like, tomorrow is vlog number 30. I'll have done 30 in a row. Anyways, what I'm getting at is I'm going to do 770 vlogs in a row for no particular mathematical reason and nothing to do with that other guy that makes vlogs every day or something. Can we get this show on the road? I gotta go to my job. It's 2:17 a.m. This is trash. So anyways, it's 2:25 a.m. I am way behind schedule. I had a late night. My sister and my brother-in-law came over and we played a board game last night until way past my bedtime, meaning 8 p.m. Everything got thrown out of whack. Amanda came home from her job and she had to tell me about so many things that you definitely, if you care about me at all as an audience member of this inaugural episode of the 770 daily vlogs, please do not let me forget that on December the 12th I have a family photo shoot. Please do not let me forget that. Anyways, when I'm behind schedule and I need to get to work and there's no time to spare, what I like to do is pull into this particular parking lot at this particular store and purchase myself a crimson bovine tincture, which is the beverage I need to be a productive member of capitalist society. Thank you. Just kidding. No one else is here. But I went to check out, that dude said plastic, and I said, no, I don't need a bag. And he's like, no, I meant your card. And I'm like, oh, money? Plastic money? And he's like, yeah. And I was like, I feel old. Back in my day, we used paper money. If I had money like I did in my day, just out of spite, I think I'd give it away. That's a little reference to my spiritual guru who passed away. Raise your hand in the comment section if you are a Todd Snyder fan. And then you can tell me all of the references that I intertwined into this video. Here's the deal. I don't have time to do anything. I have to drive to work now. It's a 27-mile drive, so buckle in. You're not going to see any of it. I frankly have to get there and clock in. I shouldn't even be doing this clip right now. Let's go. We have arrived at my place of employment. I look like this, but I have a job. It's crazy. There's no filming allowed here, so I am compromising my employment right now. Oh, by the way, I'm stoked to be here, and you can tell that because of my face. And one more thing, Merry Christmas. It's 9 a.m. approximately. Usually Sundays are like the easiest day out here on these streets, running the yard dog machine, their deal. But today, not so much. And I knew it was gonna be a weird day, not only because I'm having a bad hair day, thanks for asking, but because I'm missing my left AirPod. And I think I read in like the Rig Veda or something that's no bueno. It's a bad omen. And also, our management forgot to put in the candy order. Normally they provide us candy on this job. And I climbed the stairs, risked altitude sickness and an encounter with important people with collared shirts only to find no candy. This job is a joke. Guys, I just moved so many trailers over the course of the last 11 hours or whatever the heck it's been. 12 hours? Dang, 12 hours, that's fine. The deal is now though, I don't want to be here anymore, so we're gonna get the heck out of here and go back to the place that I live. I'm home. One thing we're not gonna do is talk about this yard, okay? The landscaper is MIA. And my children love jumping on the trampoline through the sheet of ice and everything, so. After I get done winterizing the RV, I will disassemble the trampoline. Really happy to be home, but now I have to leave because I am
Coffee bitch.
contractually obligated to bring my wife, whom I love, and I've been very clear about this. I love her, but she needs a lot of coffee. Make you a deal.
What's the deal?
Oh, look, my trophy's in frame. That's Bambi. Do you want to help me for like 7 to 19 minutes real quick before we lose daylight?
Possibly. What do you want me to do?
Hell yeah. Oh, you're sick now?
Yes.
How much sympathy do you want me to have for you? On a scale of 1 to me throwing up behind East Wenatchee store on Thanksgiving Day.
Enough to get me a coffee?
10-4. Thanksgiving Day, I had to go to work, and I threw up behind a Safeway. in central Washington. That's filling you in on the rest of the story.
That's probably.
My spidey senses tell me that I might need to get more antifreeze out.
Well, it's not doing shit.
I'm bad at plumbing. Is our pump frozen? Am I forgetting a step?
I don't remember.
This is not good.
It's been a while.
Something is wrong.
Are you okay?
And I think that I don't know what it is. That's really good. How's the propane mobile running? It's not. Thank you for asking. Are you cleaning the counter for me?
Yes.
Great job.
What are you doing, Dad?
I am documenting you being a productive member of this household.
You're not allowed to look.
Great job, Reba.
So I guess what I'm drawing.
You want to show me your drawing?
That's you.
That's me?
Yeah. You scribble face. Look at you look like
You gotta go like this, okay?
I'm
You wanna
helping too.
Try to smash through with the fork or all around.
I'm helping too. Yes.
Everyone be quiet. The dough is resting. Can you take a break from your video game long enough to tell me what you want from Dutch Brothers Coffee Stand Incorporated?
I would like a large blended 911 with an extra shot of espresso on top.
Have one companion.
Yeah.
And when we get back, the dough should be ready. You gonna take that into Mom?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Get more out of the way.
2. Oh, dang it. You lose it.
Do you want to tell the internet what you're doing?
I'm making friendship bracelets for my gymnastics students.
Are you sad to be leaving those kids behind?
A little bit.
Great job. This one that you just rolled out, and I'm gonna flip it. Did you build that all by yourself?
Yes.
I'm so proud of you. It's beautiful. Good job working so hard on that.
Mom, can you help me?
This adventure is quickly coming to an end. I do have to go to bed soon, and I still need to take a shower and do some other stuff, so. Welcome to day 1 of 770 vlogs. An independent idea from my own brain. Like, subscribe, maybe on the 3rd one. This one's obviously rough, but if you feel the need to expound on that, you can in the comments below. Ah. Let me leave my boots on.